Hey guys, this is Idhanta here with the iOS Jedi blog, and now I'm going to show you how to add a custom pose to Touchposé, just as promised in the last video. So first of all, you'd like to head on to your computer, and the image you like to use, you can open it in Photoshop. And you'll like to note that you'll have to create a new one, so go to File, New. Over here in the name, you would like to type, if you have a Retina device, you would like to type down the name of the image that you want. So I'll just type down iOS Jedi blog 2, and note, if it is a Retina display, then you need to put @2x, and the width should be 80 pixels by 80 pixels. The height also should be 80. And if you're using a non-Retina device, the @2x is not necessary, and the size should be 40 pixels by 40 pixels. So go ahead and click on OK. Now that we have this, just drag this image from, oh, one second, this is a lock layer. So if you have a lock layer, you can just convert it to smart object, and then go here and raterize the layer. So once that's done, now you can just copy the layer over here. So now I'll just resize it, hit Command T and resize it to the dimensions of the image. Yeah, hit enter. Once that's done, go to File, Save, and this should open up again. Now you'd like to save it on the desktop for easy access, and then save it in format PNG. Make sure the name has a @2x over here. Now you go ahead and save it and hit OK. Now once that's done, I'm going to show you how to do this with Dropbox. You can also use OpenSSH to do it. So I'm just going to open my Dropbox folder. Here you see it. For this to work in iFile, you'll first need to select the image that you created, the 80 by 81, and compress it into a zip file. See the zip? Copy it onto the Dropbox folder. Once that's done, now head to your device, go to Dropbox, and once that's done, you'll see it over here. Go here and you'll see this open icon over here. Once it's loaded, unable to view file, so just tap on this open icon and choose iFile, and what you'd like to do is unarchive it. It should come finished with result code 0, and then you can hit the plus, the done sign over here. Now you'd like to hit the edit, select the image that we just dragged over here, copied over here, edit, select it, and you'll see the clipboard sign. Just take here and copy it. Now hit done. Now go back to the root file. Over here you'll have to go to var, go down mobile, and over here you'll see Touchposé. Go to Touchposé, hit edit, and tap on the clipboard icon and paste. Hit done. Over here you'll see your file. Now go back, exit from my file, head to the settings panel, and go to Touchposé plus. Now once that's done, you will see a new set. First you'll have to go pose type custom image, and over here you'll see a new one, pose settings. When you tap on that, you'll see images order. So you can choose any image order that you want. That, suppose you put the top one, so whatever image is over here, that will be in use. Next, in order, whatever images are in order, that will be in use, and you can choose random. So now for random, you just tap on the image and put them in use. Go back and you'll see every time a different one will come. Top one will always use the first one. In order, will use the ones in order. So once after you've copied it, you will see your icon in the Pose box. To keep the single from the box, you'll have to tap on it and it will get copied in use. Now tap the others out of there. You'll see it single one over there. Go back and now you can play with it. So that's it, folks. This is super easy. You can add any image that you want. Just keep in mind the size and the @2x if you're using a Retina device. So that's it. Thank you for watching. This was Idhanta with the iOS Jedi blog.